Hi, it's Mark, the Family Woodworker. Here's a second video about some of the weirdest merchandise offered to my YouTube channel for free. It was surprising in making my first video when somebody wanted to give me a free pair of women's tights. I mean, thanks for thinking of me, but I'm probably not the target demographic you're shooting for. Even if you have a relatively small YouTube channel like mine, you get offers for free merchandise all the time, provided you demonstrate using the freebie and then publish a video about the product. And then you link to a small travel watercolor paint set. It's as if they didn't know I was a gray-haired woodworker. Let's see if the next batch of offers is any better. My first pick is this wild hand-painted flower vase. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, I guess. To each his own, or let your true colors shine through, or just insert your favorite art appreciation quote here. But this just isn't for me. You might like it though, so you know.
Party on, Garth.
I am apparently the perfect person they've been looking for to market their product, a heated stone neck wrap. While not really a woodshop tool at all, I might be able to use it to help keep a pot of epoxy warm as I fill in a river table, or maybe even use it as some sort of a new age winter scarf here in northern Michigan. Hey, that AI engine makes me look good. Ooh, a dog training shock collar. While my wife might appreciate this as a husband training aid, I'm not sure this is really a woodshop tool. Maybe it can help remind me to clean up the shop after I make a mess. Here's some free remote-controlled multicolored light bulbs for what I'm assuming is to help set the right mood inside the woodshop. Nothing like having that disco Bob Vila vibe as you cross-cut that white oak. Hey, how about some LED flashlight gloves? Who comes up with this stuff? Illuminate objects in the dark as you point to them, that is until you attempt to grab it and curl your fingers. And by the way, why would I be using power tools in the dark? No. Wrapping paper. Really? A video trade for $10 worth of paper when it takes me hours or days to record and then produce a decent quality video? What a deal for you, for sure. Not such a great deal for me. Here's one of multiple offers I've gotten for free women's jewelry, and it comes with an additional request to help sell the product and then earn a commission on sales. Except that, and I really get tired of saying this to these guys, you clearly didn't notice it was a woodshop channel. Here's an offer for a free golf bag, and this actually has some value. I really considered trying this one until I remembered that it was a quid pro quo offer, and I'd have to do a whole unboxing and review video. That kind of infers that I endorse the product, and I just don't like to take on sponsors for free products. My product reviews have always been unbiased, paying for, and then honestly reviewing each of the products myself. Well, it looks like I can get some custom-made cushions for a chair that isn't included in the offer, and also where I don't have a chair to even use them. I mean, come on, man. This one was kind of funny. A yoga strap? Okay, picture a 6'5", 280-pound old guy trying to demonstrate yoga stretch positions. Are you actually trying to put your own company out of business? This offer is for a pair of matching lamps, which look kind of cool, except for the fact that I make my own lamps and they look pretty cool, and I've already made a video about that. A leaf blower. Another new import power tool looking to get introduced to the market through YouTube channels. Except I don't need one, it isn't a woodshop tool, and I still don't do quid pro quo product reviews. But there's other YouTube people out there who might like it. It's not a grass trimmer because I get offers for those too, but it's a $20 set of add-on wheels for a trimmer they assume I already have. Ooh, and you have to assemble it too. Bonus. Definitely a woodshop item. Not. We're into some higher ticket items now, like this imported office chair. This one was tempting, and it might actually be comfortable and functional. And I do spend considerable time at my video editing desk. See me typing there? breaking the fourth wall, just for you. And finally, we'll wrap it up with my favorite offer for this wooden dresser. Again, the supplier not paying any attention to what I do on my channel. And extra points get deducted for the core material being engineered wood. If you've ever bought a piece of that some assembly required furniture at Walmart, you know exactly what that means. Why would you ask me to review it when everything that comes out of my shop is made out of solid hardwood and will last a lifetime? I'd call this offer an epic fail.
Oh, yeah?
Well, that was another fun list of free junk that I took a pass on. I don't endorse any of these products, and though I'm sure most of them are probably fine, I just wish one of these guys would bother to see what kind of channel I have before asking me to model women's tights or take a piece of furniture when I make furniture on my channel. I mean, what are you guys thinking? Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you choose to subscribe to our channel, drop us a like, and leave a comment too. It all really helps small channels like mine grow. Thanks, and stay frosty.